I'm Xander Ken.
And Xander.
And today we're opening up a brand new toy, BFF. So Best Furry Friends. So everyone's like LOL, BFF, you know, like the acronyms. But this is really adorable. Like, look how cute this puppy is. But there's like cool little animals, like a sloth. We've got a tiger, a unicorn. So it's kind of cool that it's not only like puppies or something.
Yeah, it's like all kinds of different animals.
And then another thing, it comes with one BFF, one bag, one locket, one collector's guide. So I kind of like that only comes with one pet, because I don't know. Sometimes it's like too much if it comes with two inside. So
it keeps it more special too.
Yeah. So let's begin. So we're opening up a full case of these. So if you want us to open up more full cases or something, give us a like. And in the comments too, let us know what other like full case you would like.
Yeah, like what other surprise toys you guys like.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of them now.
Yeah, there's a bunch. So
we have many choices.
It's like, holy.
Is this one like getting an LOL ball?
Yeah. It's not that bad. I think it's a me problem. Oh, here we go. I'll just go like this. Okay. Oh yeah. So here's the bag. Okay. And then let's see what animal we have here. Looks like a horse.
Oh, they're smaller.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. So actually, Ava really likes these. We opened up one a while ago, and she was like, "I want more." I forgot about that. Yeah. So here we go. Little purse. It's kind of actually like the LOL purse too.
It is. Yeah. It's in the purse. That's cute.
And then here's our like little thing. So you can get all these different purses. And okay, common and rare. So we got like a blue horse. Let's see.
Yeah, there's like 60 you can get.
That's cool. So rare one. Oh yeah, and the limited edition is a DD, and then gold glitter, a sloth. Okay, sweet. Okay,
cute.
So and then here's a little
sloth.
house. Yeah, I want the sloth. I think that would be like the cutest thing.
We want the sloth and the DD dragon.
Yeah. So why don't you grab some scissors? We'll like both just open like mass quantities of
these things.
One second, we want to open up this because it looks like both sides of the house open up.
Really?
Yeah, let me see.
That'd be really cool.
I'm totally just kidding. Just one side. Never mind. Okay, let's go back and
force it to if you like
your horse house. There we go. Okay. Sweet.
Here's this one.
Oh, did you get a horse too? You know, Doug just got the same thing I got.
This is the bag.
See, that's why we're both opening it at the same time.
That's right. It's like,
yeah, looks cute though. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we'll put them back in their little houses.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the houses are cute.
Yeah.
And so there's over 60 you can get. I feel like there's a lot of surprise toys right now. Like, surprise toys is the thing.
It's the thing.
Oh, what? No way.
No.
I got like the golden DD. No way.
The first row.
Oh my gosh, that's insane. What?
Whoa.
It's funny because we got like a duplicate right away, and then I was like, oh man, but wow.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, that's insane.
The silver oil purse and the gold dragon.
That's insane. Woo. Okay, that is so cool. Okay.
That is like extremely special.
Super special. Okay, that's insane. Okay, now we gotta like, we need to talk now.
Now we really need to.
That's insane. I didn't think I would get it that soon.
Oh my gosh, I hope we get the sloth, yeah. To like match it. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, that's a cute puppy. Super cute.
Oh, and it comes in like a little rainbow bag. That's cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
I like the ears.
It's like,
oh, that's super cute. Yeah, and little like kind of darker tail. That's adorable. Yeah. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, that's like actually any of our like non-duplicates will like line up.
Yeah, like
here,
line up
just so we kind of know.
See how many we've gotten.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got something too. Let's see. This is a new one.
Ooh, what's that?
A pink bag. Is this a squirrel?
Oh, what is that? Let's see, it's kind of like...
It's got like a tail.
Or is it like a bear?
It's got a long tail though.
The Furry Splash Otter.
Is that common or?
It's in the rare, on the very top corner.
Oh.
Because it has like the tiny ears.
Yes,
like
this is the first.
Ears.
Yeah, that is the otter.
Oh, and it has the paws, yeah.
Yes, okay. Furry Splash Otter, rare. Okay, that's cute.
That's cute.
Really cute.
Otters are super cute.
Sweetness, okay.
Alright, we got a good one.
I'll open up some more. We're gonna be here for a while.
Right, like, okay.
I can't believe we got that. Oh, we want the unicorn too.
Yes, the unicorn.
That's another
would
one
be
I want. Okay, and it's a blue bag. Oh, I got the puppy that you got. Okay.
Oh, cute.
Cute.
That's nice. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, I've gotten a deer. It looks like a deer.
Yeah, it's got ears.
Yeah, and like the white spots. And it's got like a cute little like thing, and then.
Oh, that is adorable! Oh my gosh, I love it! Oh, that's like my favorite one so far. Oh, that's so cute. That's like way too adorable. Okay, that is adorable.
Yep, it's furry Anna the deer.
Yeah.
It's rare.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
So they just have like common, rare, and then the 2 exclusive editions.
Limited edition.
Okay.
Ooh, what's this one?
Oh, okay. Is this the? I think this might be the Splash Otter again.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, because it's got the like black feet and stuff. Okay, here we go.
Right, very cute.
We'll go over here.
Last row on the top. So this. Oh, this might be. Oh, this is. Oh, I got a translucent.
No way. Okay, that is crazy.
Okay,
what is that? I don't know. This has got to be rare. Oh, it might be one of the ponies.
Oh, one of the jellies. Okay.
Oh,
so
that is
the blue
cool.
jelly.
I like the ones with like the different, like you like the metallic and the jelly, like these.
Ooh. Okay, yeah. This one is blue jelly Pegasus. Yeah.
Oh, it's Pegasus. That's cool. Okay, that's like really cool.
Oh, it's a mystery pack.
Oh, it looks like I get the deer, like you. By the way.
Oh, little Bambi.
I do love the Bambi. Aww, so cute. Okay, let me put that over there. Okay.
Last two on the top.
Yeah. The I didn't even know they had that. That's cool.
I know. You get so many different. Ooh, I got a new one.
Oh, is this another Pegasus? That's
Is it Pegasus or is it the other one?
What? Oh, wait, hold on.
You just got translucent too.
But yours came in the rainbow bag, and this is the pink bag.
Yeah, this is the pink. Did we both get the same one? Oh, we did. Oh, there's the unicorn.
Different. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
It's got the unicorn.
Oh, yeah, that's really cool.
Blue jelly blue unicorn.
Yeah. Okay, so
there's only 2
one here.
You can get, so.
Oh, cool. Okay.
There we go.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, there we go. I was like, that's cool. Okay, so next row.
Alright, so we got both jellies. We got one of the limited.
So we still need the sloths.
Yeah, sloth unicorn.
There's a squirrel monkey too, which would be cute.
Oh, a squirrel monkey?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really cute. Let's see. Did I just get the unicorn?
Oh wait.
I did.
No way. I just got the unicorn too. Steal your thunder.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's so cute.
I love that.
And it's all white with gold.
I like it. These are really adorable. Like, trying to eat some swirl ice cream, cotton candy,
yummy,
Skittles.
Yeah, Skittles and all the good stuff. Oh, and of course it comes in a rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh, heart bag.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You think it would come in a rainbow bag?
I know. We should put it in a rainbow bag.
Yeah. Switch it up a little bit.
And these are like some of them are reversed colors with the,
the
house is orange with pink roof and door.
Yeah.
And then like orange, orange, all orange.
With pink on the
Oh, with pink on the side, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like reverse. That's cool.
Okay, this looks new.
Oh, I got another blue jelly.
Oh,
and you got a new one?
Yeah. This is, I like the texture of it. Oh my gosh, it's a kitty. It's like, okay, oh yeah, this is a common one, Dash Ginger Cat. I like it.
A ginger cat.
There we go. We'll put that there. Oh yeah, we have 2 of these. Okay, sweet. What did you get? Oh, you got another blue jelly?
Yeah, I got another blue jelly.
Okay, that's cool.
But those ones are cool to have duplicates of because they're cool.
Yeah, I feel like the rare isn't too hard to find, which is good.
I know.
Sometimes
it gives you
really
hope.
hard.
You're like, yay. I can get it. Oh, I got the unicorn.
Oh, okay, cool.
You can never have enough unicorns.
No. Like, I feel like unicorn and sloths are like the most popular animals right now.
Totally. They're like, she's like, I'm trendy.
I did.
Ooh.
Oh, is this the pug? It might be. Oh wait, or maybe it's a bulldog. Hold on.
Oh, no. Bulldog.
Oh, it is.
You got Rocket the bulldog.
Oh my gosh, that's too cute. I love
that was the one I wanted too.
Okay. Here, you can have it. I'll put it on your side.
That's super cute.
That's super adorable. It's really fun. This is like a really fun opening. And you kind of don't know what they look like. Oh, you seriously just got one?
I did get one anyway.
Yeah. You're like, hey.
Oh.
No
what did you just
way.
Get? Oh my gosh, you got the sloth.
Oh my gosh. How adorable. Looks like a little baby.
And it has like no ears or anything.
It's so cute. I don't know why. It's like, oh my gosh, that's way too adorable.
Yay, okay, so we got what we wanted.
Yeah, so now we need like the limited edition sloth though. I don't know if we get that or not though, because...
Oh, wait, there's 2?
Yeah, there's 2 limited editions.
There's a limited and then a regular. Well, then we have more to collect.
Oh, that's a new one.
Ooh.
Oh, that's cool.
It looks like a husky or something.
Yeah, oh yeah, Sasha Husky.
Oh, okay,
And it's common.
Yeah, it's like... It's pretty, like...
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Is this another sloth? Yay, we get one!
More sloths!
The more the better.
I know, right? Sloth party.
Yay! Aww, so cute. Here, I'll give that to you.
Twin sloths.
That's adorable. Okay, is this the last one on this row?
Yep.
Yay.
Last on the second level.
This might be the bulldog. So we still need a pug for you.
Ooh.
Okay, so here's the bulldog. Here we go. Okay.
Very cute.
Put it over there.
Alright, so
we have a lot of bright pink going on here.
It is like,
bright pink and orange. But this is like my favorite colors, actually. Bright pink and orange.
This is like totally your favorite colors.
Yeah. Like, woo, loud.
What's this one? Oh, husky. Little husky.
Oh, that's cute. I do like the husky a lot. That one's adorable.
Yeah. That was cute.
Okay, is this the kitten? I think I got the cat. Let's see.
Kitty.
Oh yeah, here we go. Meow, meow. I'll switch out this one to that one. Like, new kitty.
New kitty on the block.
Oh, is it the bunny?
It might be, or a mouse or something?
I think it might be the bunny. I think it is Cuddles the rabbit.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, Cuddles the rabbit.
I love bunnies, so I'll take that one.
Yep.
Oh, I got a new one too.
What is
Oh,
that?
this might be the dragon. I think this is BD Dragon, but regular.
Oh, I didn't know you can get a regular dragon.
Oh, see?
Oh, that's cool.
Cute.
I love dragons.
See, we're getting new stuff. Was that crazy? Okay.
That one's really
cool.
cute. Okay.
Way cute. Okay, so these are all the unique ones. And then we'll have count up how many, because there's 60 you can get. Well, see, like.
We've done really well so far.
Yeah, of the 60. Oh, you just got BD Dragon. Oh, and I just got Cuddles. See, isn't that funny?
Oh, and you just got the rabbit, yeah.
Yeah, which is
funny.
like ones that we haven't had.
Okay.
And then, there we go. Okay. Oh, I think I got the husky. Yeah, I got the husky.
Little husky.
Which is a cute one. Okay.
Let's get that one. Okay. Oh, I got the kitty.
Oh, okay, that's a cute one. Okay, so this is my last one. Please be good. And I got DD.
DD Dragon.
Okay.
So we have
Hopefully
3
you get
dragons.
something new.
And I got. Oh, it looks like the bunny.
Oh, yeah, this is weird. The bottom was like very duplicate-y. Okay, so. Okay, we still got like the limited edition though, which is really cool. So everyone, yeah, vote in the comments too. Which one is your favorite one of all your BFFs here? Oops. And bunny keeps on getting knocked over here.
I know, right?
Okay.
Look how many. We got like a lot.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, hold on, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 out of 60 though.
That's pretty
So
good.
we still need a lot more though.
We need a lot more. But look, we got like limited jellies.
Yes,
and stuff.
so vote in the comments which one's your favorite. I ate sloth. It's so
Sloth
cute.
is so cute. I love the. I like the unicorn.
Yeah, the unicorn's really cute too. The pug.
Dragon.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
I didn't get the pug, so I can't say it's my
Yes,
favorite.
I know.
I'll say the dragon and the unicorn. Are
Yeah, they're all really cool. And then also too in the comments, let us know what other kind of like cases of blind boxes you'd like us to open
Yeah.
too. Thanks for watching.